Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your TD Direct Investing account. First, let's get you started. Opening your account is a straightforward process, often taking around 15 minutes online. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can easily link your bank account to transfer funds securely. After funding, take some time to explore the platform's intuitive dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your investments and available tools. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's navigate the platform. TD Direct Investing offers robust research tools, providing in-depth market data and analysis to help inform your decisions. You can create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on specific stocks or funds you are interested in. Additionally, setting up custom alerts will notify you of significant price movements or breaking news, ensuring you stay informed without constant monitoring. Ready to make your first investment? Placing a trade is simple. Begin by using the search function to find the specific stocks, exchange-traded funds, or mutual funds you wish to buy or sell. You'll then select your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a price. Always take a moment to carefully review all the trade details before confirming your order to ensure accuracy. Finally, let's talk about managing your investments over time. Regularly monitoring your portfolio's performance is crucial to track your progress toward your financial goals. You may also need to rebalance your assets periodically to ensure they remain aligned with your initial investment strategy and risk tolerance. TD Direct Investing provides easy access to all your account statements and important tax documents, simplifying your record keeping throughout the year.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.